Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the temperature display on your Ecobee thermostat. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want your Ecobee thermostat to read in Celsius, or maybe you want it to read in Fahrenheit. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the upper right hand corner, and then click on Settings. Then from here, scroll down and then click on Preferences. So notice how there's a temperature display preference. So go ahead and click on that, or you can adjust the temperature display on the Ecobee Thermostat app to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius or from Celsius to Fahrenheit. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your temperature display on your Ecobee thermostat. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.